Si estás trabajando en mejorar tu pronunciación en inglés, cuidado cuando digas palabras que terminan en un sonido de vocal más una G. A very common mistake that happens to us Spanish speakers is that we tend to replace that final G with a and we say dog. Or sometimes we can also tend to replace it with a K, like duck, duck, duck. So it can be confusing, and probably you will say something that is going to put other people in a difficult situation when they are trying to understand you. So this is what you can do. That G needs to be very soft, like when you say gato, a gato, backlog, 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 bag, bag, bag. Entonces no sonó como back ni como bag. Tag, tag. So it's not tack, it's not tag. And dog, dog, dog. Very soft G sound. Dog. So it doesn't sound like dog, it doesn't sound like duck. Dale like, sígueme y ve a la liga de mi perfil.